Welcome back to CAD tutorial. Today we are going to design a simple 3D pipe in Solidworks. Actually in this video I will show you how to use 3D sketches. I hope you will enjoy this video. So let's start this video. First select new, go to part and go OK. Select dimension mmgs, plane white and go to setting, document properties and image quality. Select image quality high, go OK. Now select a sketch, select a 3D sketch. Now select a line. Here show red line, red arrow. Okay. If you press tab, so change this direction, axis direction. Okay. Now select this axis, red arrow, ZS axis. Okay, select. 2 axis is always ready to go. Now press tab. Okay, upper side. Okay, our sketch is complete. Smart dimension. Select this 100 millimeter and this line 120 millimeter. Select. Okay. And this line select 100 millimeter. And this vertical line select 100 millimeter. Okay. Go OK. And again go 3D sketch and select a line. Okay. Now select here. So red icon show. Change this, press tab. Okay, hello this side. XZ axis. Okay. Now press. Okay. Press tab. Change direction. Okay. Press tab. Change direction. Again press tab. Change direction. Okay, again press tab. Select, click here and again press tab. Change direction. Okay. Now again press tab. Okay, select this line. So our sketch is complete. Now you have to go again smart dimension. If you press tab, so change this direction XYZ axis. Keyboard tab button. So this dimension 120 millimeter, this line. And select this line 50 millimeter. Okay, this line 60 millimeter, and this upper line 50 millimeter. And this line 100 millimeter. Again select this line, this is 100 millimeter. Again select this line, keep this dimension 50 millimeter. Now select this line dimension, keep this dimension 50 millimeter. Okay, now our sketch is complete now. So select fillet, select all of these sketches. Automatically select all of this corner point. So radius 10 and go OK. Okay, now our 3D sketch is complete now. Exit sketch. So show preview this 3D sketch. Now use shape brush command. I have to use circular properties. So select circular properties and diameter 10 and use thin feature 1 millimeter thin. Select. Now this sketch is complete. Show preview. So go OK. Now our sketch is complete. This 3D pipe is totally complete. I will use some appearance. So please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get more update. So thank you for watching this video.